Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to know the password of any network you are connected to in your PC. Maybe you are connected to a network, or a network automatically connected to your PC, but you just want to know you want to know the password of the network that you are connected to. So I will show you guys how to know the password of any network you are connected to on your PC. Then you can now apply the password on your phone, it will work. So I'm using MTN now. You can see I'm using MTN. So I want to know the password of this network that I'm connected to, or the password that I just automatically connected to on my PC. Maybe I on my Wi-Fi and there are plenty networks showing, so maybe one automatically connected to my PC. So that's what I want to show you guys now. So now I'll just go to my settings. You see here that the root change adapter options. You click on it. You can see here there's Ethernet and there's Wi-Fi. So you just right click on this. You right click on it, then you see status. You see disable, connect, stroke, disconnect. You see status. You click on status. Then when you click on status, you go to wireless properties. You see details here and you see wireless properties. You go to wireless properties, you click on it. Then when you see open that wireless properties, you see connection and you see security. You just go to this security and click on security. Then you say show characters. So now this is the password to the network that I'm automatically connected to. This is the password. Now this is a network security key. This is the password. So if I can still apply it on my phone and it will open, I can use it to browse the internet. So for more videos like this, please like and subscribe.